Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make like a bowl game which like bananas are falling down from the sky and you have to try and catch them and they give you specific like amount of points, like one of them gives 1 from 10, like from 1 to 10. If you get a certain amount of points, let's say 50, you win the game. Let's get started with our amazing creation. Let's delete this cat and add 3 sprites. 1. Bananas. 2. We'll add the bowl. The bowl sprite. And last but not least, 3. The... what's it called? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so first you will go here in the paint. And then you will go and change this to maybe blue. You can change it to any color. And then after that, you will go and I'll just use a no, not this. The text box. Wait, okay, where's the text box? Okay, so there's the text box and I'll change this now to my favorite font. So you win. Okay, so that should be good. Now let's extend this and put it in the middle. There. Let's make it a bit smaller though, actually. Okay. Now that's our third one. And there we go. And now let's make a background really quick. And let's make this. This one. Let's do this. And then let's do this. There. Now let's make a box. See, it's like the thing I told you last time. Like now we build awesome background. Okay, now let's get started with the code. When fleck flicked, wait, for the bananas. When fleck flicked, go to X 160. Wait, it was, oh no, it was go to random. Go to random. And then you will go and set Y to 180. Then after that, we'll drag a forever block. And then if drag an if block, drag if Y position, no wait, yeah, drag a forever block, change Y by -7. Change Y by -7. And then if Y position equals -10, if a Y position Wait. If y position equals minus 10, y position was around here. Yeah. If y position equals minus 10, then go to random. Go to random position, set y to 180. Okay, and now we drag another if block. And then if touching ball, touching ball, then start sound chomp. Start sound to make it sound like eating. Okay, there. Change score by. Let's drag change. Let's make a new variable called score. Change score. Yeah, let's delete this so we don't get distracted. Change score by 1 to 10. So we'll drag this. It's random, the score actually, so it will actually be either from something 1 or 10. Okay. And now, after that, we will go and drag go to random position block. Go to random position. And drag set y to 180. Over here. Okay, and there's the bananas code, this block. Now there's one more block we need to add. And flag clicked forever. If if score, wait, if score bigger than 50 or equal to 50, just in case it crosses 50, we don't like keep playing the game forever. So let's drag these blocks and these blocks. If score is more than 50 or if score equals 50, then we will do broadcast a win message. Let's drag broadcast win. There. And then when I receive win, stop other scripts and sprite. It was in the control section. Stop other scripts and sprite. Okay. Let's go to the bool code. Okay. When flag clicked, go to X 0 and Y minus 136. Okay, and then we'll set score to 0. And then forever. If Wait. Well, let's drag an if then block. And then we'll drag this. We'll drag if left arrow pressed. Let's just find the left arrow key. Yes, there it is. If left arrow pressed, point in -90. Point in direction -90. And then move 10 steps. Or you could do change X by 10. See? And wait. Let's set rotation style over here to this so it doesn't start flipping out. Okay, there. See? And let's change the banana size to 50. Okay, move 10 steps. And then let's do the same thing for the right arrow. Let's duplicate this and drag. If right arrow key pressed, point in direction 90 and move 10 steps. Then drag when I receive you win. When I receive win, stop other scripts and sprite. Sprite 1. Let's do this sprite like the talking, like the human. When flag clicked, hide this block. So it doesn't like show the UN. Hide this. And then set X to 0, Y 0. And let's make a windscreen sort of like the things disappear, like sort of like last time. Hide. Let's drag a hide block here so we can sort of like, you know, make a hide screen. And then go to X 0, 0. When I receive when show and then drag the stop all block just in case something did not stop. We'll drag. Okay, let's start our game. The sound you can just listen to it, so yeah, I see. Okay, so we'll just add the sound later. You guys can listen to sound later. See? It says you win. Oh yeah, I forgot. When flag click show, if we want to add like the effect thingy, like the no like overlapping thing, like we'll click show and this click show. Okay, let's start again. Okay, I got 7, I got 2, got 7, got 10, I got 3, I got 5, I got 2. There, I win. Now let's go again. Okay, I got 3, I got 6, I got 3, I got 8, I got 1, I got 8, I got 1, I got 8, I got 9, and then, yeah, I won. So this game is pretty basic, but still It's kind of a good game if you want to pass the time. And let's sort of make this harder. If score equals, you could change this actually to anything you want. I'm just saying that this is like, you don't need to like make it 50. You can make it anything you want. If you're like not good at these games or like just don't have the time enough, you can just make the score low. But if you're good at these games or just like a challenge or something like that, then I guess you're good. I guess you can make it higher. But if you're just okay with what I say, you can just keep it 50. I just said you can customize these things. Okay? And I missed that one. Okay, so it's glitching out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your other friends if you like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.